Alright, so hey hello guys, what's up everybody, it's your Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, and I hope you all will be very happy and improving your English by story. So dude, if you are new in this channel and you haven't subscribed, so subscribe for more new videos. And so dude, do you know where from you are finding salt? You are purchasing salt. And where from this is coming? From sea. You will say that this is coming from seaside, okay? But why is this inside the sea? If you have think this question that where from sea is coming, from the sea, that there is a factory inside the sea. Yeah, you have think about it any day. So dude, I'm going to recite you a story, a very wonderful story, very interesting story dude. Okay dude, so please watch this video till the end. And if you are not subscribing dude, so please subscribe. First of all, subscribe dude, subscribe. You had subscribed? So dude, you are watching dude but not subscribing. So let's start this video without wasting any time. Okay. So dude, there are two brothers. One is rich and second is so poor. And he is working hard work. Poor brother is working hard work. Okay. And dude, he was cutting trees inside the jungle. And on the other hand, there is second brother, and who is very rich. He didn't need to do work. That's why he was not working. He had many fields. He was wealthy. So dude, one day his wife had made kheer. Do you know the English of kheer? If you know, so write in the comment section. Okay dude, let's I am going to tell you. Okay, so kheer in English is pudding cake. Yeah, you will say the kheer in English, pudding cake. Okay dude, so he went to jungle to cut the trees for earning purpose. If he will not cut the tree, so how he will fulfill their stomach, their family's stomach? Okay, so that's why he was in the jungle. And that time he saw a old lady inside the jungle and he was in trouble. So he decided to help her. So he helped, and after that the old lady had told him that go inside the jungle. In the end of jungle, okay, you will find a cave, and there are five little peoples, and if you will give them pudding cake them, okay, so that they can give you any gift. Okay, so dude, that time same he do this. Okay, he did. When he reached in the end of the jungle and he found a cave, he go inside the cave. Then he found five little person, and they like to eat pudding cake, kheer. Okay, and then dude, they had eaten, and after that they had given him a chakki. Okay, and he said him that if you want to eat anything, okay, related to food, whatever you want to take, so you can take from this chakki. So but you will have to say that chakki give me flour, so this will give you flour. Chakki give me rice, so this will give you rice. So dude, and after he had told him that if you want to close this, so you will have to a red cloth. Yeah, you should have a red cloth and put upon this chakki, so this will close. So after that thing, he came back in the home and he shared this good news from his family, and they were very happy that time. So after some days they become rich. So that time his brother was so jealous to see their success. So dude, one day, that was the night day, and his rich brother came in the courtyard of poor person's house. So that time he saw from the window that they were taking food. Okay dude, they were taking food from the chakki, that they were saying that chakki give me flour. So the chakki was giving flour, and that time he ran towards their home, and he shared this news from her family. And that time he planned a plan. Okay, he planned that I will theft this chakki. Then he theft, and after that he go towards the seaside. Then he take a rental boat. Okay, and they have sat inside the boat, and when they reach in the mid section of the sea, so that time they were curious towards the chakki. So that time they had told the chakki that chakki give me salt. Okay, so that time chakki was going on, and chakki was giving salt. So that time boat was fulfilled from the salt, and they were sink inside the sea water. So that's why sea water is salty, and the chakki is going on yet. So that was the story of this story. Okay, so that was the story, and the moral of the story is that don't be greedy. If you will be greedy, so you will die. Don't be greedy. Okay, so dude, this was the story. Okay, and if you like this story, so please don't forget like, share and subscribe. And dude, they were watching me whenever I was when I was speaking, so that time they were watching me. So dude, please subscribe for more interesting video, because I am hardworking dude. I am making video for you. Okay, so that you can improve from this channel. So dude, that's all for today, and I will meet in my next video. So bye for this time, and if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, if you have any topic for me, so please write down in the comment section. So bye for this time, and I will meet in my next video. So bye.